Hey everyone, my name is Yash and welcome to our channel Gossipfunda. If you are facing issue like KineMaster is not opening or KineMaster failed to start several times, as you can see it on your screen, then this video is for you. The main two reasons for this is you have low phone storage or have older version of your KineMaster. To resolve this problem, you have to follow either of these two steps. The first step is click on the KineMaster, go to the app info and clear all its data. Then wait for few seconds and again open your app. As you can see, the app is working perfectly. But if you're still facing this issue, then delete your current app and go to the Google. And now for the second step, click on the link that I have given on the description box and follow my step carefully. Paste the link and click on search button. Now wait for few seconds. Let me just block this and skip the ad. After skipping the ad, please allow the site for notification. After few seconds, the site will all reload and take you to the KineMaster official website. And now just scroll down and click on download now, the latest version. Your downloading will be start. And now after few seconds your app will be to get downloaded. As you can see, the download is completed. Now click on it and install the app. My app is working perfectly fine. And if you're still facing any issue, please share it with me in the comments box. Until then, please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.